Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am starting a new journey of my English speaking class, that is story retelling. There are two types that I practice. One it is shadowing, and one it is speaking just like randomly I am talking to you, and just like something about happen in my day. But this is an upgrade with two new different things. First, it is the camera. I is first तगड़ा तगड़ा से यारी भाई यार कोई नहीं करेंगे, मज़ा आएगा, बहुत ही मज़ा आ रही है। ओ हाँ बढ़िया बिरयानी माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, नज़र न लग जाए। अभी रुको, हंसी आ रही है बहुत ज़्यादा। यहाँ लगाएं? हाँ सही है, काफ़ी बेटर है। और ये यहाँ सही है, सही काफ़ी लंबा है। वायर्ड माइक इतना बड़ा है कि अगर इसको एक छोर से दूसरे छोर तक लेके जाएंगे ना तो चलता ही चला जाएगा, चलता ही चला जाएगा। एंड what was I talking about? I was talking about the facing the camera with a little bit of tripod, with the help of little bit of tripod and a wired mic and a smartphone with a heavy and premium Godex light and a Hiffen light stand. And I'm trying to upgrade my English speaking skill with the retelling purpose, with the help of retelling story. And here is the story of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, that is written by a Gemini Pro. And I will tell this story first while reading the text from the computer screen, and then I will tell the story without reading the text, and only by my memory and making sentence with my broken English. But I sure it will help my memory power along with my vocabulary and along with my confidence while speaking English, and along with this beautiful face. Oh sorry, let's get started. That is a wonderful The King and the Tiny Ant. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was a very powerful king. Allah gave him a special gift. He could understand the language of animals. One day, Sulaiman was marching with his huge army. He had soldiers, horses, and even birds flying above him. The ground shook because the army was so big. They were traveling through a valley when Sulaiman heard a tiny shaking voice. He looked down and saw a small ant speaking to the other ants. "Hurry!" the ant cried. "Hide in your home. Sulaiman's army are coming. They might step on us and they will not even know it." एक चीज़ और करता हूँ मैं इसमें, include Quranic reference if it is any. In Quranic ayat in Arabic. Write the same story with the ayat. मैं कुछ ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि जो स्टोरी हो ना उसको एक रेफरेंस के थ्रू आपको मतलब डिटेल कर दूँ, ताकि मुझे उन कुरानी आयत का रेफरेंस, उन कुरानी आयत को मतलब याद हो जाए। और ये चूँकि मैंने यूट्यूब पर डालनी है अपने रेफरेंस के लिए, तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा कि अब वाह क्या बेहतरीन काम किया है लाला। चलो, Prophet Sulaiman and the ant. Prophet Sulaiman was a great king and a messenger of Allah. He had a very special gift. He could understand what animals and insects were saying. One day, Sulaiman was traveling with his large army of men, jinns, and birds. As they reached a valley, Sulaiman heard a tiny voice coming from the ground. It was a small ant warning its community. The Quran describes this moment in Surah Al-Naml. حتى إذا أتوا على واد النمل قال نملة يا أيها النمل ادخلوا مساكنكم لا يحطمنكم سليمان وجنوده وهم لا يشعرون. When Sulaiman heard the ant, he did not get angry. Instead, he smiled. He was happy that he could understand the tiny creatures. He immediately ordered his giant army to stop and wait. Sulaiman stayed still until every ant was safely inside their homes. He then made a dua to thank Allah for the blessing given to him and his parents. This story teaches that no matter how powerful we are, we must always be kind and careful towards even the smallest living things. We try to focus on the word namely. Then when you put the story English in the ant several times to build your confidence with the English. Fill in the line sentence to every story. Let's get started. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's get started with our part of the story. That is our purpose, to retell the story without reading the text. And we will try to complete the story as we read in the text, and we will make our vocabulary strong, our sentence making and thinking abilities too strong. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a story. This is the story. This is the story of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam, who was a king, who was the prophet and messenger of Allah and the king of the Solomon Empire. He created the Solomon Empire. Once he was marching क्या लिखा है, रोमिंग तो घूमना होता है, मार्चिंग जा रहे थे. He was marching with the मार्चिंग लिखा क्या लिखा है, ट्रेवलिंग लिखा है. चलो, this is the story of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam, who was the king and the messenger of Allah. Allah gave him a special gift. He can listen the voices of every creature on the planet, the jinns, the birds, the ants, the fishes, and every small and large creatures was under his commandance. Once he was traveling with his giant army. He had jinns with him, the birds flying above him, and the air flying with the other Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam. As he was traveling, he just listened a small and shaking voice of an shaking voice. He just listened when he was as he was sorry, when he was traveling with his army. He heard he when he was traveling with his army when he was traveling with his army, he listened a shaking voice. He just stopped. He just stopped and look around the earth, look around the down, look the. He just stopped and looked down, and he saw a small ant warning his community. And Quran describes this moment as hatta idha ataw ala wad an-naml qalat namlatu ya ayyuhan naml hatta idha ataw ala wad an-naml qalat namlatu ya ayyuhan naml udkhulu masakinakum la yahtimannakum Sulaiman wa junuduhu wa hum la yash'urun. The ant was warning. The tiny ant was warning to his community that, oh my companions, the ants, please, please enter in your homes, because the Suleiman army is coming. ऐसा ना हो, इसका क्या मतलब होगा? Please enter your home because the Suleiman army is coming. ये मैं मफ़हूम बयान कर रहा हूँ, मतलब इस तरीके से क्या है, एग्जैक्ट तर्जुमा नहीं है. Oh ants, please enter your home. Please enter your home because the Suleiman's army is coming. Maybe he crashed, maybe his army, maybe he and his army crushes you and they do not even know. Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam just stopped and smiled, and he ordered his army to stop, and he waited until all the ants, all the small ants entered their homes, entered their home. Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam smiled and make dua to Allah and gratitude to Allah that He gave him a special power. स्पेशल यहाँ पावर का यूज इस्तेमाल होने का, यहाँ होगा स्पेशल गिफ्ट. हाँ, He gave him a special gift, that Allah gave him a special gift so that he gave him a special gift as he can listen the voice of every small or large creature. This story tells us that no matter how powerful we are, how big army we have, and how small the opponent can be. The opponent लिखता है. अच्छा, and how small is the other living things, and how small is the other things. We should always be kind to every creature on the earth. I hope it is a great upgrade to my journey of speaking English, and I will definitely upload it to the YouTube with a link of public. Now that I have revealed my face, now I will upload the lyrics system as unlisted, because maybe it will affect my mental health, because इतनी मोटी चमड़ी नहीं हुई है अभी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.